Next, more schools in Cardiff are forecast to set deficit budgets over the next 2 years. Cardiff Council told its Children and Young People Scrutiny Committee that 55 schools are expected to apply for deficit status by March 31st, 2026. That's up from 38 in 2023. Of those, 45 are primary schools, 9 are secondary, and 1's a special school. The council says a mix of rising costs, falling pupil numbers, and growing learning needs are driving the trend. 7 schools have now been in deficit for 3 years running, with council officers warning that more could follow without changes to funding or pupil numbers. Plans for a major new motorway service station near junction 37 of the M4 have been submitted to Bridgend County Borough Council. The proposal includes a petrol station, electric vehicle charging points, and 3 drive-through restaurants. Developers say it could create up to 125 jobs near North Cornelly, Pyle and Kenfig Hill. But concerns have been raised by planning officers that the countryside site may impact surrounding areas like Port Call. The services would operate 24 hours a day, every day of the year. A Cardiff man with more than 100 offences to his name has been jailed for a spree of shop burglaries across the city. 39-year-old Carl Legg, of no fixed address, targeted stores in Pontcanna, Danescourt, Canton and Cardiff city centre across several days in May. In one incident, a female shop worker was pushed to the ground. Legg admitted 4 counts of burglary and 1 count of theft and was sentenced at Cardiff Crown Court to 2 years and 8 months in prison. The New Theatre Cardiff has confirmed its headline cast for this year's Christmas panto. Sleeping Beauty will once again star BBC's Gethin Jones, Radio 2 presenter Owain Wynne-Evans, and comedy favourite Mike Doyle. All 3 are returning after last year's sold-out run of Cinderella. Producers say the show will bring magic and sparkle to the city from December the 6th to January the 4th. The panto is being produced by Crossroads Pantomimes, the team behind last year's record-breaking production. Gethin Jones returns as Prince Gethin, Owain Wynne-Evans plays the spirit of pantomime, and Mike Doyle takes on the role of Nurse Nellie for what's set to be a 4-week festive run in the capital.